Hi! In front of me is laptop Yoga Smart Tab YT-X705F, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current locked method. Now select the Delete button right next to the Edit one. And last but not least, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!